convert 1.2 meters to inches. We were given 1.2 meters and we want to convert them to inches. To do this, we need to multiply through a conversion factor. First, we need to convert from meters to centimeters. To do this, we will multiply by the conversion factor of 100 centimeters for every meter. Then we can convert from centimeters to inches by multiplying by another conversion factor of that for every 1 inch, there's 2.54 centimeters. Multiplying through these conversion factors, we see that the meters cancel and leave us with centimeters, and then the centimeters cancel and leave us with inches. First, we multiply 1.2 and 100 to get 120, and then divide that by 2.54. This works out for that in 1.2 meters, there is 47.24 inches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.